Okay, hello, welcome. As promised, I'm going to be doing these videos on a weekly basis, and this is the Dimo retail unit. This is not the test unit that some of the influencers had received, and so you will be getting weekly updates on how this progresses, how many tokens I'm receiving, etc. So I'm going to try and make a series of videos on this, and we'll just get right into it here. So the Dimo is a device that connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port under the steering wheel, and it is a crypto miner, which basically farms tokens using the vehicle data that your car provides. It is things like mileage, fuel statistics, a lot of various inputs like that, which we obviously don't understand, but diagnostic data that can be used for companies that are interested in knowing how a car performs over time. So one of the things that the Dimo miner does is it gives you more tokens the longer you leave it plugged into your car. That way they get better data long term on how a car's engine performs, and how to better work on the vehicle. This is just going to be a quick unboxing because I don't want to spend too much time on this, but I'll show you what it looks like here, and then we'll make another video hooking it up to the car. So this is the unit itself here. Not bad looking. Relatively small. This hooks into the port there. There's supposed to be some extension cables and stuff that come with it. So let's see here. Of course, you have your typical stickers from the company if you choose to use that. You got 3M tape, probably some Velcro as well if you choose to use it that way. Yeah, so here's the cable that comes with it. It's not a pass-through cable, but it's about 1 foot long, I would say. Yeah, let you store the unit basically up under the dash, where the fuse compartment would be or so. But just remember, don't put this thing in the way of the airbag, which is usually located under the steering wheel for the knees. That would be pretty catastrophic if you did that, and they do warn you about that inside of the instructions here. So alright, so that's going to be all for this time. I will give you another video update on installing it into the vehicle and getting things running. So subscribe if you'd like to hear the weekly updates on how earnings will be going and what the average price is. Since we're in the bottom, the crypto winter, I could only expect it to be better as time goes on here. So alright, so as usual, if you want to go ahead and get a Dimo, it would benefit you to go ahead and use this referral code, and you will get 50 free Dimo as part of your initial setup. And then any person that you refer with your referral code will do the same, and you get a little bonus as well. So if you'd like to support this channel and subscribe to hear more each week about how it's progressing and how many tokens have been achieved each week, to get a normal baseline from a retail average person, not a YouTube subscriber that's been provided the product for free, that's trying to influence the market. subscribe to the channel, and we'll all make this together.